Okay, this is the sink redo. Now, this is about the third lift, I call it, of fill in here to get it level in the back. Now what I've been using, I'll just take a piece of wood like this. You can see I got it pretty good now, and I just want that just a hair higher in the back. But then, see, I've taken and marked on there with some pencil where I want to make sure I get a little bit of filler. And then if I look in the middle here, see it's a little bit low there. Got some pencil marks there. We're going to put a little bit of filler so that that tap is level, and then just a little bit more along there. So here's pre-mixed. I've just mixed the filler in there. So I'll just get a good gob right back in that corner. I would have taken this wood out and shimmed the wood up, but it was already glued in this corner back here, and I just thought, well, it'd take more time just to get that. You see, I put some tape on the wall just to keep some of it off. I want to get a little gob right here, so get that kind of level. If it's a little bit high, is better. I don't want to have to put another coat on. It's getting near the end of the first day back at work. Not near the end yet, but it's on the downhill side. So I want to get that smoothed off there and right around that opening so that it's a little bit higher on this side. And I got a little bit of filling to do on the sides there. See, it's a little bit low there. Well, we got some holes. I want to get a piece in this corner over here in this one. So we got, build it up a little bit at a time. You can sometimes get away with it. There's no form there. It's just sitting there. So that's pretty good. I can paint that over. That can be painted if it needs to be. So I want to get a little bit more in that crack there. So I've been at it since about 10:30 this morning, and it's now 2:30, so it's 4 hours ripping the old tiles off, and they all came off except for one little patch right here in the front was doing what it was supposed to be. The rest of it just came off. And back here, the stuff was like cream. The adhesive didn't even get hard at all. Just turned to cream. I'll get a little bit in there. A little bit more back there. Almost got enough. Might need a little bit more for there. So then I got this flat one here, this one here. Let's see if we can't. See, the whole thing doesn't have to be smooth. It just can't be sticking up. I can fill in some of this stuff with the adhesive, but as long as the bulk of it's there, I can't have the adhesive slipping down cracks on the side. Oh, get down there. So I'm gonna get some more off that box, and then that should be it. Let that dry for a little while. Put some heat on it and dry it up quicker. Start getting the tiles prepared. Oh, that's it for now.